it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So welcome to my upstairs hallway. Today we will be going behind these two doors and cleaning, tidying, decluttering, organizing my linen cupboard. So this is long overdue, but it's not that bad. So let me just show you, if I can, what we are working with. So it's a double linen cupboard. Let me get my stool. Double linen cupboard. So there's a lot. I have a lot of things. Okay, so up the top is like towels, random things that need to be sorted. This middle cupboard is all like sheets, doonas, pillowcases, like there's just a lot, so we've got to sort that out. There's too many that I just don't use. The next row here, so all the towels, I mean, they are just chucked in. I need to fold them. Obviously, that's not going to take a long time. And here I have fragrances. So if you've seen my channel, you'll know that I do a lot of like fragrance reviews, things like that. This is all just cleaning stuff as well. And then down the very bottom is some boxes, which we can definitely go through as well. This is my spare doona. So also, I just want to say I apologize for the angles because this is quite like a narrow hole here. So it's hard to like put the camera somewhere. So not the best angles, but let's do this. I didn't even know we had an iron. See, I'm gonna put this here at the front. So this is exactly why it's so good to tidy things up. I think it's called Abbotsford linen, that range. Absolutely incredible. Now, I don't know how anyone folds like fitted sheets, so this isn't gonna look super neat. it blows my mind. It's bad, it's bad, it's bad, it's bad. So, but like, look, some are just sitting on top because there is a lot. So the very bottom shelf, I guess, on the floor is all my Christmas stuff. So I was gonna go through it and sort that out, but I thought, no, I'll just leave that. So this, it doesn't look like a lot has happened. It's definitely neatened it up. The issue is my fragrance storage. So I think that makes it look a little bit messy, but everything I need is here. Everything, I guess, has a certain space, so I'll definitely talk you through it. The very top we have, like here, we just have eskies and a picnic rug, which I definitely will use. There's the beach towels and then my doona. If you haven't tried vacuum sealing like those bags before, definitely try that. That has created so much space, putting that in a vacuum seal bag. It's amazing. And also my iron, which I didn't know I had. So the bedding, I threw out a couple of pillowcases, but the rest I'm keeping. Then we just have towels. So I just have our bath towels, bath mat, what are these called? Hand towels, face washers, and then that's just another set. The next shelf, so we have, it's a bit dark here. We have the toilet paper, all my fragrances, well, some of my fragrances. Here I have, in this pile is like skincare stuff, so like just doubles of things and all of that. Then I have Ariana Grande fragrance spare and then a electric toothbrush. And then I've just got the couple of cleaning things that I've kept. So spray and wipe, bleach, a spare soap holder, a drain cleaner and a handle. I'm not sure why we have that. And then just down the bottom is my Christmas box. This is what we have been able to remove and declutter. So as I said, this towel will go in our gym. These will be thrown out. The box, I might put a gift or something in if I have a birthday coming up. I might try sell the other two items and then that's just donation and rubbish. And that is it for our linen cupboard declutter, organization and clean with me video. So again, if you guys did enjoy this, please let me know, leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. I hope this gave you some motivation. I definitely am not really in a cleaning mood today, so if I can help you. And I hope everyone's staying safe and I will see you in my next video very, very soon. Thanks again for watching. Bye!